Hello, and welcome to the Art Circle Public Library's virtual Snowman Magnet Workshop. And today, we have a little kit that you can pick up at the library during our time. And it is a snowman magnet cut from a wood slice. The first thing you need to do is take your slice of wood from the kit and paint it white. You can use any paintbrush you have or that you find. It's no problem, just any of them. And all I did was take and paint the inside of my wood slice white. You can paint it to the edges. You can paint it part way out. However you want to paint it. Just make a circle or something that looks like a snowman's head. If you want to, you can put 2 coats on it. But we have our little snowman head there. And to save time, I have one already painted and dried. And this had 2 coats on it. So you can put 1 coat or 2. This one here only had 1 coat. But the next thing, all you have to do is you take, and I took the back of my paintbrush that I used to paint with. I dipped it in black paint. And I made a set of eyes. Just dip it like that. Then I made a mouth, which is to look like coal. So you have your black coal mouth. And I just took, like I said, the back of my paintbrush and dipped it in. And then I took hot glue. You don't have to have hot glue. You can use just regular glue if you want. But I just took hot glue, put a little glue on my pom-pom nose, which is in your kit. And then I took my magnet from my kit and just put some glue on the back of it. Doesn't have to be hot glue. Again, it can be any glue. And just popped it right on the back. Hot glue dries in just a few seconds. And there I have my snowman magnet. So I can hang it up anywhere I want to, in the kitchen, on the range hood, or somewhere on my file cabinet, or wherever I wanted to put it. And I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas!